Hi everybody, this is your girl blogging with April, y'all, owner and operator of aprilblog.online. So if you have not checked that out, go over to my website www.aprilblog.online. It's a lifestyle blog. I talk about different topics from fertility, do-it-yourself tips, finances, love, relationships, money, career, everything. I got everything, some entertainment stuff over there. So go check out my blog, my lifestyle blog, y'all, on www.aprilblog.online. If you haven't, go over there and read my topic on fertility foods for women and men. You know, I often hear on social media, sometimes I read in books, watching reality shows, because I love reality TV. About people talk about the different struggles of them, having a baby. And that could be, a very touching topic. So, I decided to just do a blog about different things that I've researched on different ways and strategies that you can take to increase and boost your fertility. So if you want to go check that out, if you know someone, might be interested in reading that blog, share that blog with them, guys. And I also have other self-care tips on that blog. If you are interested in blogging, you could do that part-time as well as full-time. You can earn a great income with that. Everything I say takes work and patience and time in doing so, but it's great if you like to write, if you love, journaling and creating stories. Blogging can be a thing for you. You can do that part-time. You can make that a full-time career, whatever you choose to do. So I have different tips on that, ways to make money blogging. It's, for me, blogging is great. It's therapeutic. I love sharing stories. It's also at the same time helping other people. I get to meet other writers and things of that sort, guys. It's a great thing to do. It's a great hobby. I love it. So if that's something you're interested in, go over there and check out that blog on that. So guys, just want to jump on, guys, to tell you that, to go ahead and check my blog out. Follow me. I'm on Twitter. I have a YouTube channel, Blogging with April, guys. So continue supporting me. And for the ones who are supporting and reading my blogs, hey, I appreciate you. I really do appreciate you guys. Thank you for, riding with me. I just appreciate you just for taking time out your busy schedule to read what I have going on. It's very helpful tips. So I appreciate you guys to the fullest, guys. So guys, I want you to continue to have a blessed, successful Thursday. Guys, we almost there. It's almost the weekend. We almost there. One more day. So guys, continue to have a blessed Thursday. Don't forget to check out my stories on my blog, www.aprilblog.online, guys. Check me out, guys. And I'll talk to you a little later. Bye-bye.